Open the door and take out the accessory box in the ice bucket. Check if the accessories are complete. List of accessory box, filter assembly: ice shovel foot, plastic direct head, Teflon gasket, quick direct head, raw material belt. Take out the 4 feet of the ice bucket. Install in sequence into bottom foot hole. Take out the filter assembly. Hang the filter at the position of water purifier. Connect the outlet pipe of the filter to the water inlet of the ice maker. Connect the water inlet pipe of the filter to the drinking water interface. Untie the tie of the drain pipe and the power line. Connect the drain pipe into the floor drain. Remove the tape that secures the ice baffle. Check if the ice baffle is intact.